Hello to my 4th and 5th grade tag students. This lesson will be on amusement part lesson 6. It's a decision making tag strategy where we're going to be doing amusement part decision making with Mr. Smartbucks. Okay, so this one should be actually fun for you guys, especially in the new setting that we're in, our second week of teleschool. This lesson should be completed on Wednesday, 3/25/2020. If you have any questions about what it is that you're expected to do, feel free to contact me via email at ruckerad@fultonschools.org, or you can go on my class website, www.drruckersrockstars.weebly.com, and I also have my Google number posted as well, okay? So our essential question for this lesson, what you should be able to answer or what you should know by the end of this lesson is, how do business owners use theme and creative thinking to generate revenue? What is revenue? Money. Revenue is money. It's how you make money. How do business owners use theme and creative thinking to generate revenue? The second question is, how can we use criteria to help us draw conclusions and make decisions? Okay? So, what you should be able to do, find multiple unique solutions to a problem, revise and refine solutions, mean make your solutions better, make and evaluate decisions using criteria, draw conclusions based upon relevant information while discarding irrelevant information. We're going to get rid of the information that doesn't matter, okay? And we're going to write a paragraph that states and justifies a decision using evidence. Some of our vocabulary terms that we're going to be using that you've seen before, and if you don't quite understand, use this time to actually define those words, okay? We have criteria, evaluate, justify, factor, opportunity cost, economy, finance or financial, and budget, okay? So on the third page of the lesson plan, I'm going to set the scene for you just like I would if we were in an actual class, okay? I want you guys to respond to the following questions in your journals. If you don't have your journal with you, which I'm quite sure you don't, just write it down on a sheet of paper. We're improvising here, okay? So respond to the following questions. You win $1 million in the contest. $1 million, you just won it, okay? However, in order to get the money, you have to spend it on one of the following choices. So you win $1 million, but they telling you how you have to spend it, okay? You have to either A, buy a mansion, B, donate your money to a local museum, C, pay for your child's college education and give the remainder of the money to the college for scholarships for other kids, and D, buy a plane, a car, and a boat. I'm going to say it again. You just won $1 million, but they're telling you how you have to spend it. You can A, buy a mansion, B, donate your money to a local museum, C, pay for your child's college education and give the remainder of the money to the college for scholarships for other kids, and D, buy a plane, a car, or a boat. Okay? I want you to choose. You have to choose one of those four. You won $1 million. In order for you to get it, you have to choose A, B, C, or D. Okay? I want you to choose which one. And, of course, you have to explain to me why. I need an explanation for everything so that I can understand your thinking. Okay? So, 3 thinking keys. The 3 whys. After you've written down your choice, I want to know, why is that? In order to explain the initial reason for your choice, why is that? Okay? Again, I need you guys to justify your reason. Why is that? Why did you choose that? Explain to me why. So one example could be, I would choose to buy a mansion. I would buy a mansion because I want to own a big house. I want to own a big house because I like to entertain or have people over. I like to entertain because I am nice to a lot of people and like spending time with friends and family. So that's what I mean by elaborating, telling me why is that, okay? So I want you to take the time. You can pause this video and answer those questions and tell me why, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is have a discussion. Of course, we're not together, but I want you to go ahead and think about these things. Thinking about your response, why is that? What generalizations can we make about how people make financial decisions? For instance, I'll go ahead and tell you what I would do. I would probably, because I'm a mom, pay for my child's college education and give the remainder to the college for scholarships for other students. The crazy part about it is, I won't get into that. That's my choice, C, okay? I chose that reason because I want my child to have a bright future and I want other students around him to be able to afford the same opportunities that I allow him to afford by winning the money and putting it towards his education, okay? Let's see. Now your task. You will read the problem about amusement park. You will be given choices about how to spend money to improve an amusement park and come up with possible solutions, okay? You will use artifacts and reasoning as evidence to justify your choice. Again, this is your assignment, okay? You will read the problem about the amusement park. You will be given choices about how to spend the money to improve an amusement park and come up with possible solutions. You will then use the artifacts and reasoning as evidence to justify your choice. All right? So, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to look into our packet. This is the scenario. You will read this, my intelligent students. Read that. That's your scenario. Theme park decision scenario. Read it, okay? Then, after that, you have the theme park expenses. It tells you everything that... Expenses are what we have to pay for. It's your bills, okay? You're going to read this, and it's going to tell you all the expenses that we have or that you have at your theme park, all right? Then we have consumer survey results. We have the expense report, all of that stuff. It's like a real business. After you've gone through all of that, you must read all the details. Then you will complete the decision-making steps. List any outstanding questions you have after reading through the scenario and the artifacts. What problems in the scenario do you see that need to be solved? Brainstorm as many varied solution options to the main problem as you can think of. What are some criteria or questions that you can use to help you make your decisions? And then you'll come up with your decision-making chart. I know it looks kind of crazy, but basically you're just going to tell me what you chose and give a criteria for each one. All right? Resources for food. We have that. Oh, this is from the school. I'm sorry. You guys each received that. But that's not a part of your actual packet. That was literally resources that we can use now. So, any questions, feel free to contact me. I hope this video has helped. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, y'all. Love y'all.